हेलो प्रोफेसर, फोन में GTA 5 कैसे डाउनलोड करें वो बता दीजिए।
Is it possible to download GTA 5 in mobile phone? Downloading and playing Grand Theft Auto V, GTA 5 on a mobile phone is not officially supported. GTA 5 is a high-end game designed for PCs and consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, requiring significant hardware resources that most mobile devices do not possess.
Okay, not a problem.
Open Play Store and search this app.
Subscribe to our channel.
Wait for installation complete. Now open the application. Here you have to log in. I'm using the Gmail. You can use Facebook Gmail or email login. We have to check our coins to play games. Now click on play button. Here we have to wait few minutes to get access into free slot. Now click on play button.
And all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Ooh, come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Law.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.